DEWALT's one-handed quick clamps are an intelligent solution for clamping the track in place. In addition to the friction strips under the track, sometimes even more secure holding power is needed, such as when cutting vertical surfaces. By holding the track securely from its underside, the clamps do not interfere with the travel of the track saw and also allow quick repositioning. The track saw's T-square and miter gauge attachments make repetitive cuts at 90 degrees or varying angles quick and easy. A chamfered interface perfectly aligns track accessories to the track. The router attachment allows routers to be used with the track for perfectly straight routing. It includes several adapter plates, allowing it to be used with many brands and types of routers. DEWALT track saws feature universal fit 1 1/4 inch dust ejection port that allows easy hookup to any shop vacuum and provides up to 90% efficient dust collection. With easy-to-use features designed to save time and enhance precision, the DEWALT track saw system sets a new standard.